Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Join me, let's make this egg and the chicken sauce. Not your regular type of egg sauce, this one is special. I'll start by boiling the chicken for about 5 minutes. I just added some spices, that is salt, thyme, curry powder, and the chicken seasoning. Then stir it, add some water and also some onions. The camera didn't show adding onions, so I added some onions, purple and green onions. Purple and green onions. We're not going to fry this. We're not frying anything, so allow this to boil a little for about 5 minutes before we continue. After cooking the chicken for about 7 minutes, be sure that it is at least 85 to 90% cooked. I'll then stir it and then go ahead and add the remaining ingredients. I have some sausages here which I'm adding to it. I will also add the remaining onions, add tomatoes and the carrots which I've already washed and cut. I also add some more seasoning. I'm using more curry powder and the chicken seasoning. And then I'll add some peppers. Add pepper according to your tolerance. Like I said earlier, we are making egg sauce, but we are not going to fry anything. So I'll just add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the sauce. Stir it, cover and allow it to cook until the vegetables get soft. Keep watching and please hit the like button. Click on the like button, please, and also share the video. Thank you and God bless you. After about 5 minutes, I checked it and the sauce was boiling beautifully well. I stirred it and tested it and it was so yummy. Every ingredient there is complete and yummy. I'll stir it well, cover it and allow it to maybe boil like 2 more minutes before we go in with the eggs. Don't be in a hurry. It is now time to add the eggs. I have some eggs which I've already cracked into the plate and seasoned it with a little bit of salt and the chicken seasoning powder. Then I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook on low heat. I've reduced the heat so that it doesn't get burnt. Few minutes later, I checked on the egg sauce and look at how beautifully well it is doing. I just stir it gradually just to check and be sure that it is not burning, and to make the ones that have not cooked to turn it around so that it can cook. After that, I'll cover it again and allow it to cook again, or boil again, or steam again, whichever one, for about 2 to 3 minutes before we go in with the last ingredient. Keep watching. Our egg sauce is ready, and it is now time to add in the last ingredient, which is spring onions. So I'll just add in the spring onions, stir it, and the sauce is ready. You can also use any vegetable of your choice for this garnishing. You can use fluted pumpkin ugu, you can use spinach, you can use kale, any vegetable at all. You can also skip the vegetable and enjoy it like this. We'll be pairing and eating our egg sauce with some boiled yam. What would we be enjoying yours with? Tell me in the comment section. The yam is boiled and ready, and our egg sauce is also ready. So all that is left now is to serve and enjoy. And here I am serving my own portion. Come and join me. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like button and also share the video to your friends and loved ones and families. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.